Hello everybody and welcome back to Kingman FX. And in this video guys, I'm really excited about this video because we're going to be doing a lot of interesting things, right? We're going to be doing live trading, and I'm going to be explaining the strategy that I dropped in the previous video, and I'm going to be explaining them in details for you guys and how you can implement that strategy with a little bit of price action to make you a profitable trader. So if this is what you want, this is what you want to be seeing on YouTube, why don't you consider subscribing to this channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and dropping some interesting comments in the comment section. Okay, so guys, without delaying you, I want to show you, get straight to the point, and let's hit the nail right on the head. Okay, I have some open trades right now which I just entered, and they're quite profitable. I used a very small lot size and it is running in profit. So before that, I'm going to show you how I also trade with a bot. All right, so I'm going to go in on the Derive platform, and I already uploaded the bot, and I'll show you guys how you can run that bot and make money. So as the bot is making money for us, I'll come back here and I'll be showing you guys the strategy that I've been using to trade boom, crash, and every other synthetic indices, and how you can incorporate price action with that to make serious money. Okay, now let's get to it. So right now I am in my Derive interface right now, so I'm gonna navigate to the dbot. Now I already have the bot loaded up and traded some. I've done some trades actually, so I'm going to start afresh some new trades so that you guys can see how it works. Okay, so this is the bot loaded up, and I'll be trading. Okay, let's take volatility 10 index. Okay, now all the settings are already programmed. So if you are interested in having this bot, I'm going to show you how it trades. There's going to be a link in description where you can message me directly to get access to this bot. All right, so now I'm going to indicate how much I want to actually stake. You get the point. Now the lowest you can stake if you have a very small account is 0 point, I think, 32 or 35 dollars. Okay, 35 cents or 32 cents. I'll verify that information, but yeah, I'm going to be staking let's use $5. Okay, and the initial amount here also is going to be $5, and that is all you need to do. And all I need to do right now is click on run and let it run for me. So bot is starting. You see we have numbers of runway 0 right now, and let's see how many runs we're going to do. We'll come back and check. You see buying contract, so we can leave here now. It's already working. It can work in the background, and let's get back to the game. All right, so to explain these concepts, like I said, we're going to be, let's use step index. Okay, to explain this concept, it works on boom, it works on crash, same principle, same analogy. And all you need to do is you need two indicators for this strategy to actually work properly. Now let me go back and show you guys, for those who are watching this video for the first time. So you go to your indicators tab. Let's delete this. Okay, let's delete this and go afresh. So these are charts, is looking all neat and clean. Then you come to your indicators tab and you add your moving average. Okay, now when you add your moving average, your period is going to be set to 40, your shift is going to be 0, the method is going to be simple, and you have to apply to close your pixel 3, and you select the colors. You do not have to change any of the levels, guys. You can leave it like that and you click on done. Now we have it here and it is looking real beautiful. Yeah, this is money. Now the next thing you need to do is come back here, then you click on this icon and you add in your MACD. Very interesting indicator. So your fast EMA is going to be set to 12, your slow EMA also will be to 26, your MACD SMA is going to be 9. You apply to close and you select any color that you're interested in. Okay, and you click on done. So this too is set. How do you trade with this? How does it work? Okay, now this is what you need to do. Now it depends on the time frame you're choosing to work with. But personally, I prefer the 5-minute and 15-minute time frame, because it depends on the kind of trader you are actually aspiring to be. Okay, now for this principle to work, let me zoom in and show you something. Now for you, if you are in an uptrend, your moving average is going to be below the chart, and if you are in a downtrend, you can see the moving average is going to be above the chart. Now, where is your entry point? Your entry point will be immediately the line is crossing below the chart or above the chart if you want to buy or you want to sell. Now, we're looking for a buy signal. Right now, the market is moving to the upside, which is you're looking for a buy signal, right? So this is the first indication that okay, I think I should be getting ready to buy. The price is crossing below the chart. You guys can see it over here. The price is crossing below the chart. And one thing I want you to see is that we look at the MACD. Now, when this blue spikes you're seeing over here, when they are above the zero level, now you can see the zero level here. When they are above the zero level, that means you can go into a buy position. Right now, immediately the line crosses, you can see, I want you guys to look down here. Immediately the line crosses the zero and start going up, you can see that these candles are already above the moving average. So that is a confirmation on both of the indicators that you can enter into a buy trade. Now, when you enter at this point, where do you keep your stop loss? Your stop loss should be below this moving average, because sometimes the candles, you understand, they can wick down, you understand, to correct or mitigate all the imbalances. So you have to keep your stop loss down here at a very conservative range so that the price will not take you out when it's going on the upside. You're getting the point? So this is what you need to do for a buy signal. Now, what about a sell signal? The same thing happens. Immediately the prices cross over the chart and this your MACD is below the zero range, you are good to go for a sell trade. You're good to go for a sell trade. Now, what about you want for a better confirmation to know if the market is going to shift up, we do a little bit of what? Market structure. Now, we've heard about some people you've been around and you've understand shifting market structure and break in market structure. Now, if you analyze this market a little bit, let me show you, let me zoom in. We can see that the market has been trending downwards. Okay, we can see that the market has been trending downwards for quite a while because we are on the 1 hour time frame, guys. We're on the 1 hour time frame. So now, the moment we got to this point, we had almost like a double, you can see, almost like a double bottom here. Understand? So when you are analyzing the market, what happened here is that this week over this point, let me show you guys. This week here, you can see the week. Okay, the wick took out the liquidity here. Let me zoom in and show you. The wick here took out the entire liquidity, and that itself, after taking out this liquidity, it came and it broke structure. It broke structure. Okay, now this is our liquidity here, and this is our lower low. This is our lower low here, and this is the liquidity that took out this lower low. And after taking out the liquidity, the next thing we have is what? A break in structure here. You can see now the price actually went up there after taking out this liquidity here. So the moment the price went up there, we are now expecting this will now become our point of interest. Okay, this range here will become our point of interest where we can actually enter and set our order block, if you understand smart money concepts. Now you can see, let me draw something for you guys so that you see what's happening. Now let me use this. If this is our point of interest and this will serve as our order block, right? Now let's see what happened next. What happened next. You can see that price actually came back to retest the zone. Price actually came back to retest this zone that actually swept liquidity. You can see that when, if you have set your order block here, price came back, retest this zone, and what the price did after retesting the zone, you see that price went up. So when you understand market structure and you understand smart money concept, okay, all these things with your indicators. You can even go way ahead of your indicator. Before your indicator give you a confirmation, you are already profiting in the trade. Okay, so before we continue, we need to go check on our bots, guys, so that we'll see the profit that we are already accumulating as we are already explaining markets, shifting market structure, and all those stuff. Okay, so I'll go back to my derived platform here, and we can see the bot as number of runs right now is 14. We're in profit of $89, and this is just within 7 to 8 minutes, guys. Now we have 8 contracts. Okay, we've won 9 contracts, we've lost 6 contracts, and we're in profit of 94, guys. Now this bot is interesting. It automatically keep trading for you. You can see buying contract, it keeps trading for you. It is programmed, and guys, this bot is profitable. You can use to trade all volatility indexes, you understand, jump indexes and stuff like that, and it keeps making money for you. You can see I was busy trading on my MetaTrader, and this on the derived platform will still be making money, guys. So if you're interested in getting this bot, there's going to be a link in the description that you can message me directly to get access to this, guys. It is almost, it's like I'm giving out a giveaway price, guys. Very, very, very affordable. So let's go back to the real deal and let this bot keep making money for us, guys. So let's go back to our chart. Okay, so here we are, and I just explained, guys, how you can use breaking market structure, shifting market structure to enter real deals. You can start making the money from, you're not waiting even for the strategy to actually activate. But if you do not know a bit of price action, this strategy also will make you serious money, because what I just showed you guys on point of entry, shift of market structure, and break of market structure is just to get early into the trade. But if you do not know price action, you can still work well with a strategy. Okay, so let's check other indices and see if the strategy actually works. So we're on step index. Let's go to volatility 25 and see. Okay, now you can see, guys, this is already a nice entry, a nice trade. Now this is on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that, let's see if our conditions are actually met here. The indicator just crossed over the chart, and we can see that the MACD is now below this point. You can see the MACD is below this point. You guys can see now, this is the MACD here, is going below, and over here we can see that the moving average has crossed over the chart. So this is a good point of entry. Now you can navigate down to the lower time frame to look for a very good entry. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame right now. You can go back to the 15-minute time frame or go back to the 5-minute. It depends on what you want to do. Now you can see that the market is retracing. Now for a sell trade, now when it comes to market structure, now let me zoom in and show you a little bit of market structure right now. I'm coming. Okay, now this is a very, very, very interesting stuff. Now we see that the market was forming a lower low and lower highs. Now we can see a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Now this is what I want you guys to see. As it was forming this lower low, okay, as it was forming this lower low like this, oh, sorry for that, I want to show you guys something so you understand how you can use a little bit of price action to make serious money here. Okay, now this is our lower low, our lower high, our lower low, our lower high. Now if you zoom in, then it broke structure here. This is our break of structure, understand? Now if you zoom in here and see, okay, let me show you guys. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Now you can, if we zoom in, okay, you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. Now you can see this wick over here. This wick is higher than this one over here, so that means we literally do have our impulsive move down here, an higher high, an higher low, another and lower high, then we have the break in market structure. Now since we have this break in market structure, it definitely means that this point over here is a valid order block. Okay, is our point of interest. So when you mark out this part as our order block here, understand, let's see what price did. Okay, let's see what price did. Now I'm going to zoom out and show you guys what price did. Now you can see that price actually came back to retest the zone, and I tell you that price is going to go down for a while before retracing back up. You can see that the wick came back into the zone, retested, because there was a break and shift in market structure. So if you understand price action, guys, you're going to do a lot of stuff in this market. You're going to do a lot of stuff using price action with this strategy, guys. You're going to be literally unstoppable. So before we end this video, I would like to show you guys how far the bot has gone in trading and the profit that we are able to accumulate as I have been talking and explaining these things to you guys. We'll go back to our derived platform and check it out. Oh goodness, guys, you can see we are at $156 in profit. We are 30 runs, we won 18 contract and we lost what, 12 contract, guys. This is so sweet, man. So I'm going to be ending this video here. If you've gotten content from this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and you're going to be getting interesting tips and how to trade profitably. Okay, and if you're interested in getting this bot, you can message me. There's going to be a link in description for you guys. All right, so stay safe, make some money, and oh, the profit is still increasing, guys. We're still in profit. So I'm going to stop the bot right now. All right, see you in my next video.